Good morning everyone. Today's video lecture is on topic types of networks. Today we will discuss in detail the various types or categories of network. Let's see. We have seen our last lecture, online lecture, what is network, their advantages and disadvantages. So today's video lecture is based on topic the various types of networks. First, LAN. Actually there are three types of networks. Those are LAN, MAN and WAN. First type of network is LAN, that is local area network. What is local area network? A local area network is a privately owned computer network covering a small network's geographical area like home, office or groups of buildings, etc. A school network, etc. A LAN is used to connect the computers and other network devices so that the devices can communicate with each other in the network devices so that the devices can communicate with each other to share the resources. As we discussed in last lecture, the purpose of network or the main aim of the network, computer network, is to share the various resources of the computer system. Hence, the LAN is the network that is privately owned by the various institutions or offices, or we can set up it at home. That means it acquires a low or limited geographical area. Next, the resources to be shared can be hardware devices like printer, softwares like application programs or data. Resources means you can say various hardware devices like printer, monitor, okay, also various softwares. The best example of software that is used or share in LAN network is LAN based games. LAN based games ज्या आहेत त्या तुम्ही LAN नेटवर्क मध्ये प्ले करू शकता, म्हणजेच त्या तुम्ही शेअर करू शकता. चं मीनिंग आहे की एका मशीनवर जर एखादी गेम इन्स्टॉल असेल तर LAN नेटवर्क यूज करून ती तुम्ही त्या प्रायव्हेट LAN मध्ये कोणत्याही मशीनवर ॲक्सेस करू शकता ती गेम, ओके, म्हणजे सॉफ्टवेअर. सिमिलरली तुम्ही प्रिंटर सुद्धा नेटवर्क मध्ये यूज करू शकता किंवा डेटा शेअर करू शकता. दिस इज द मेन यूज ऑफ द LAN network. The size of LAN is usually small. The various devices in LAN are connected to central devices called the hub or switch using a cable. LAN offers high-speed communication of data rates of 4 to 16 megabytes per second, that is Mbps, 4 to 16 Mbps speed or data communication speed. Generally, LAN acquires limited geographical area, that is small area, and the various devices in LAN are connected to the central device that is known as hub or switch. There is a central device that is called hub or switch, and all the other devices in the LAN networks are connected to the hub or switch. Next type of network is MAN, that is metropolitan area networks. What is MAN? MAN stands for, actually, as I said, metropolitan area network. It is one of a number of types of networks a MAN is a relatively new class of network. MAN is larger than the local area network, that is LAN, and as its name implies, covers the area of single city. MAN म्हणजेच मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. मॅन हा सेकंड टाईप आहे नेटवर्कमधला. आता लॅन आणि मॅन याच्यामध्ये जर बेसिक जर डिफरन्स बघितला आपण तो आहे एरिया ॲक्वायर्ड और कवर्ड. लॅन हा प्रायव्हेटली ओन्ड असं नेटवर्क आहे जे आपण एका लॅबसाठी किंवा मॅक्सिमम मल्टिपल बिल्डिंग्स आपण कनेक्ट करू शकतो. पण मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्कचा जर विचार केला तर लॅनपेक्षा कितीतरी पटीने हे नेटवर्क मोठं असतं. जनरली आपण म्हणू शकतो की एक सिंगल सिटी यामध्ये कवर होऊ शकते. मॅन रेअरली एक्सटेंड बियॉन्ड 100 किलोमीटर अँड फ्रिक्वेंटली कंप्राइज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरंट हार्डवेअर अँड ट्रान्समिशन मीडिया. इट कॅन बी सिंगल नेटवर्क सच ॲज अ केबल TV network, or it means connecting a number of LANs into larger network so that resources can be shared LAN to LAN as well as device to device. Okay, means what? As I said, MAN is rarely extends beyond 100 kilometer, means it covers a whole city. Okay, and there are various or there are connectivity between various devices, hardware devices, or it's a combination of hardware transmission media. We can also say that MAN is a combination of LANs. Multiple LANs are connected with each other and then we can form a metropolitan area network. Okay. A MAN can be created as a single network such as cable TV network, covering the entire city or a group of several local area networks. Okay, MAN actually covers a single city, and the best example metropolitan area network is the cable TV network. We know the cable TV network, how works it. Next, MAN is based on IEEE 802.6 standard known as DQDB, distributed Q dual bus. Okay, IEEE 802.6 is actually a standard of network. So MAN is based on, or metropolitan area network is based on the IEEE 802.6 standard. Next type is WAN, that is wide area network. This is the third one type of network which is very large and it covers a very huge geographical area as compared to LAN and MAN. A wide area network is a telecommunication network. A wide area network is simply a LAN of LANs or network of networks. WAN connects LANs that may be on opposite side of the building across the country or around the world. Simple way we can describe WAN as it's a network of network, means multiple LANs or multiple MAN networks are combined with each other and then WAN network will be formed. WAN नेटवर्क हे आतापर्यंत आपण जे दोन टाईप बघितले लॅन आणि मॅन याच्यापेक्षा जॉग्राफिकल एरिया जास्त कव्हर करतं म्हणून हे लार्ज नेटवर्क आहे. वाईड एरिया नेटवर्क यासाठी म्हटलेलं आहे कारण हे जॉग्राफिकल एरिया लॅन आणि मॅनच्या कंपॅरेटिव्हली जास्त कव्हर करतं. आता याच्यामध्ये लॅन आणि मॅन या दोन्हीचं कॉम्बिनेशन करून आपण वॅन फॉर्म करू शकतो. म्हणजे मल्टिपल लॅन्स जर एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केले, मल्टिपल मॅन नेटवर्क्स जर एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केले तर वॅन नेटवर्क आपण फॉर्म करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट, they can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. The largest WAN in existence is the internet. Some segments of the internet like VPN based extranets are also WANs in themselves. Okay, means what? The most known example of WAN is internet. Okay, what is internet? Generally we define internet as it's a network of network. ओके, म्हणजेच आपण इंटरनेटला नेटवर्कचं जाळं म्हणतो. अनेक नेटवर्क किंवा अनेक PC कम्प्युटर सिस्टम्स एकत्र येऊन इंटरनेट बनतं. वॅन नेटवर्कचं बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल आहे इंटरनेट. ओके, अँड इंटरनेट हे एक खूप मोठं असं नेटवर्कचं जाळं आहे, त्याला आपण वॅन म्हणू शकतो. आता काही इंटरनेटचे सेगमेंट जे आहेत किंवा पार्ट जे आहेत त्याला बरेच एक्झाम्पल बनायचं झालं तर VPN, व्हर्च्युअल प्रायव्हेट नेटवर्क्स, दॅट इज बेस्ड ऑन एक्स्ट्रानेट्स, त्याला आपण एक्स्ट्रानेटसुद्धा म्हणू शकतो. ते सुद्धा वॅन्सचा पार्ट असू शकतं, म्हणजे ते सुद्धा वॅनमध्ये इन्क्लूड होतात. नेक्स्ट, आय थिंक you all understood 3 types of networks, that is LAN, MAN and